Picture this. You're lying in bed, and while you're sound asleep, your bank account is quietly growing. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the power of passive income. It's the secret sauce behind financial freedom, offering the opportunity to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. And the best part? You don't have to be a financial guru or have a huge amount of capital to get started. This video is your roadmap to 7 actionable passive income ideas that you can implement right now. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, save for a dream vacation, or achieve financial independence, these strategies can pave the way. But before we jump into the specifics, let's demystify the concept of passive income. It's not about getting rich overnight or sitting back without any effort. Instead, it's about front-loading the work and creating systems that generate income consistently over time, allowing you to break free from the constraints of trading your time for money. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of earning money while you sleep, let's explore these 7 game-changing passive income ideas together. Get ready to take control of your financial future and build wealth on your terms. Number 1. Real estate ventures. Imagine owning property that generates income while you go about your day-to-day life. Real estate stands tall as one of the most reliable and lucrative sources of passive income. The traditional route involves purchasing rental properties. By leasing out spaces, whether residential or commercial, you can collect rent and potentially see property appreciation over time, making it a robust long-term investment. However, not everyone can dive into property ownership. That's where real estate crowdfunding enters the picture. This innovative concept enables you to invest in real estate projects without the hassle of directly owning properties. Through platforms that pull funds from multiple investors, you can participate in various real estate ventures, diversify your portfolio, and enjoy the benefits of real estate investment without the responsibilities of property management. Real estate is a tangible and proven method to create passive income streams. From renting out spaces to investing in property development projects, it offers multiple avenues for generating wealth over time. Number 2. Dividend stocks and investments. Welcome to the realm of dividend stocks and investments, another promising avenue for passive income. Picture this. You become a shareholder in a company, and as a token of gratitude for your investment, the company pays you a portion of its profits regularly. That's the beauty of dividend stocks. They provide a consistent stream of income simply for holding onto your investments. Investing in dividend-paying companies can be a game changer for your passive income strategy. These companies tend to be established, financially stable, and committed to sharing profits with their shareholders. Over time, reinvesting these dividends can significantly grow your investment portfolio through the power of compounding. However, dividend stocks aren't the only passive investment option. Index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and bonds also offer opportunities for steady returns. These investment vehicles allow you to diversify your portfolio and benefit from the market's performance without the need for active management. By exploring these avenues, you can harness the potential of the stock market and investments to create a reliable stream of passive income. Number 3. Online businesses. In today's digital age, online businesses present a plethora of passive income opportunities. One such avenue is affiliate marketing, a performance-based strategy where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. By partnering with companies and directing customers through your unique affiliate links, you can earn a percentage of sales, all without the hassle of product creation or inventory management. Moreover, the creation and sale of digital products have revolutionized passive income. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, templates, or software, creating digital content can be a one-time effort that generates ongoing revenue. Once developed, these products can be sold repeatedly, offering a scalable income stream. Another popular method is dropshipping or e-commerce, where you sell products online without physically handling inventory. By partnering with suppliers who handle shipping and inventory management, you focus on marketing and sales, earning a margin on each sale without the logistical burdens of a traditional retail business. The beauty of online businesses lies in their scalability and flexibility. They allow you to generate income from anywhere at any time, making them ideal for those seeking location independence and flexibility in their income streams. Number 4. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending platforms have emerged as an innovative way to earn passive income by acting as a lender. Through these platforms, individuals lend money to others or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This method allows you to diversify your investment portfolio by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers, reducing the risk of default on any single loan. Similarly, crowdfunding platforms provide an avenue for passive income through investment in startups, real estate projects, or creative ventures. By contributing funds to these ventures, investors can receive returns if the project succeeds or gains traction, providing an opportunity for passive income generation. Both P2P lending and crowdfunding offer attractive returns compared to traditional savings accounts, making them appealing options for those seeking higher passive income potential. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the risks associated with these investments before diving in. Number 5. Royalties and licensing. Enter the realm of royalties and licensing, a lesser-known yet powerful avenue for generating passive income. This method involves leveraging intellectual property, IP, to earn recurring payments. Whether you're a writer, musician, inventor, or creator, your intellectual property can become a perpetual source of income. For writers and authors, royalties from books, ebooks, or audiobooks can provide a steady stream of passive income. Each sale translates into ongoing royalties, allowing you to earn from work you've already completed. Musicians and artists can earn royalties from their compositions, songs, or artworks whenever they are used or performed. Licensing agreements with companies or individuals who wish to use your creations can also generate passive income through one-time or recurring payments. Moreover, inventors and creators can earn royalties through licensing agreements. When a company licenses your patented invention or design, they pay you royalties based on sales or usage, providing ongoing income without the need for active involvement in production or marketing. The beauty of royalties and licensing lies in their potential for long-term, hands-free income. Number 6. High-yield savings accounts and seed certificate of deposit. In the realm of passive income, not all strategies involve risk or complexity. Enter the realm of low-risk, hassle-free options like high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offering reliable yet modest returns. High-yield savings accounts are a safe and accessible way to generate passive income. These accounts, typically offered by online banks, provide higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. While the returns may not be substantial, they offer a safe haven for your money, earning interest without the volatility associated with other investment options. Certificates of deposit, CDs, are another low-risk option for passive income. They involve depositing funds into a bank for a predetermined period at a fixed interest rate. At the end of the term, you receive your initial deposit plus accrued interest. CDs offer a predictable income stream and are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, or National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, for added security. While high-yield savings accounts and CDs might not yield as high returns as riskier investment options, they provide stability and liquidity, making them suitable for those seeking a conservative approach to passive income generation. Number 7. Creating a YouTube channel or content creation. Embracing the digital landscape opens the door to another avenue of passive income. Content creation. Launching a YouTube channel, podcast, blog, or social media platform can evolve into a lucrative source of passive income over time. YouTube, in particular, offers creators the opportunity to monetize their content through various channels. Through Google AdSense, content creators can earn money from ad revenue based on views and engagement. Additionally, sponsorships and brand collaborations allow creators to partner with companies for sponsored content, generating income while providing value to their audience. The key to success in content creation lies in providing valuable, engaging, and consistent content that resonates with your audience. As your channel grows and accumulates a dedicated following, your passive income potential increases. Moreover, diversifying content across multiple platforms expands your reach and income streams. From creating digital courses to selling merchandise or offering exclusive memberships, content creators have various monetization avenues to explore. Remember, the key lies not only in starting but also in staying consistent and adaptable. While some passive income streams may require initial intensive efforts, they have the potential to reward you with ongoing, hands-free income in the long run. It's crucial to assess your goals, risk tolerance, and available resources before diving into any passive income venture. Patience and perseverance are virtues in this journey, and the rewards of passive income often compound over time. So, as you contemplate which passive income avenue aligns best with your aspirations, take the leap. Start small, learn from experiences, and gradually build your portfolio of passive income streams. With dedication and strategic planning, you can pave the way for a financially secure and abundant future, where your money works for you, even while you sleep.